What's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. It is lovely to have you guys back. So I wanted to make a quick video. Today is the first nice day we got in Central Illinois, and I got the vet out, and yeah, it is feeling so good. So just gonna make a quick video on kind of what to expect this summer, what we have going on, and I hope that I can get some more of you guys to subscribe and to watch the videos, and that would be fantastic. So let's get to 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal for this year. We have some big things coming up, and I think that would get us where we need to be. So first day out, got the oil changed on the car. So now that that's done, I didn't realize last year how bad my brakes were. So I started the car up, brought it out, and I got this cold start video, and I forgot to record it on the GoPro. I recorded it on my phone, so we'll see how it sounds. I brought the car out and the brakes were terrible. I remember last year where I was kind of like, man, it feels really soft. So I'm gonna do a power adder this year. So at some point we gotta get some better brakes, and I'm probably gonna do that first before I get the power adder and do it the right way, okay? So we have the brakes that are gonna be coming in. I'm gonna be getting a 6 master or clutch slave cylinder. And we'll make videos of both. I'm gonna try to get this car lowered on the stock bolts. We'll make a video of that. And yeah, and then we're gonna take it to Texas 2K. And I'm hoping I can get the nitrous done before I get it to Texas 2K or get it supercharged, but I doubt it. But I think I'm still gonna take it, okay? Also, that whining noise that I have, we're gonna take that to the dealership and see if they can identify exactly what it is, so I can get that fixed. The active handling issue, we're gonna take that to the dealership and get that fixed. So I already ordered the piece here. I have that. I also ordered a pedal because I don't have a pedal. It's just like the little rod, the assembly that comes down, but there's no physical pedal that I have. But yeah, we got some good stuff coming. Like I said, in March we have Texas 2K, 2K21. We're gonna try to take the car down there. I'm gonna get whooped. I know I am, but you know, it'll be fun. We have that. We have a in April, we're going to take it down to back to Texas, Dallas, for Dump Master and Demonology's racing event. In May, there is a quarter-mile airport wide open run, so we're going to do that. So we should have a lot of footage coming for you guys, and please stay tuned, please subscribe. All right, let's go ahead and hit a couple of laps. I love how this car sounds so much, except for that whining noise. I can't wait to get that fixed. So I may even take this car on the road trip. Once I get that noise fixed, I hate it. It bothers me so much. So your boy has gotten a little bit better at driving. Still not an expert, but